Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to present a new dimension, a new feature that I think opens new capabilities for your business to do more things online, to get more opportunities, more business. The idea is to sell leads. The properties you manage, let's say you have websites, a YouTube channel, maybe a TikTok channel, maybe Instagram. You are generating leads for your clients. Can be painters, construction, beauty, education. There are plenty of business who need a constant flow of new leads, of new clients knocking the door. So this can be your main business. Like, hey, you are good creating content, you are good managing campaigns, you are good, managing the lead generation. So I think what we give you now is let's call this lead generation. What we give you now is a tool that makes the selling of the lead as easy as any e-commerce. You are going to be able to add a price, offer that to your buyers, and your buyers are going to purchase the lead. That's it. The user is going to see the lead. If they are interested, they can buy and they get the lead. If they are not interested, they can skip it. But it's going to be 100% transparent, 100% online, 100% automated. So for you, it's going to be a nice feature. And for your buyers, it's also a nice tool because they go to the control panel, they see the leads, and they buy the ones they want or the ones they need, because sometimes maybe they don't need more leads, or maybe they don't want to have more leads. So they don't need to buy anything from you. So that's the idea. That is to create a easy to use marketplace for you and your clients. So what we need to do, we need to set up a payment link. You need to create an agent for your buyer. I mean, your buyer needs access to their control panel, and you need to create the widget. So it's 3 steps. I think it's easy, but we're going to go one by one. So the first one is create a link to get paid. In this case, we are doing something for drivers academies. So there is a product that is going to be set up for them to buy, people willing to learn how to drive, people willing to learn how to recover points, how to upgrade their license, things like that. So it's education, it's for education, and the idea is to help users get their license, and the schools are going to get the leads. Okay, that's the idea. So we create the payment link, and the payment link is here. The only thing you need to remember is you need to create dynamic price. That's the only thing you need to remember. The price needs to be dynamic because each widget can have different pricing. Okay, this is the marketplace. We have created different widgets for different schools. So we have the schools listed, and we can capture those leads. We can capture the leads for these schools. Students are coming here, they check the school that is nearby, they ask for more information, and the lead is going to be saved, and the buyer is going to receive a notification. Okay, that's the idea. So how we set up the widget? Down here on the widget, you have this block. This block is called sell leads configuration. You need to activate this, and when you do it, you need to set the price for the lead. Each widget can have different pricing. So let's say you have one widget in one big city. Maybe those leads are more expensive, or maybe you are doing a widget for weddings. Weddings are by default expensive, so the price of the lead can be higher, or you do something for lawyers. Lawyers normally pay a lot for the leads. So that's for you to configure. You can have different widgets, each widget with a different price. Then you link the payments. The payments we create, you link those here, and you need to link the agent. The agent is going to be your buyer. Okay, you create a team member here. This is the team member we create, and this one is going to have access to those leads. Okay, so you have company A. So let's say you have a buyer. Let's say this buyer is from Madrid. You create an agent for this buyer. Okay, this buyer is going to be linked to the widget that is going to generate leads for this buyer. Then you can have different agents linked to one widget. What's the idea? The idea is to make them compete. You can have different clients competing on the leads you generate. So that can be interesting for you as a lead generator, to have more interest in the leads you have. If you have different buyers competing on the leads, that can be good for you. Okay, so that's the idea. So we have the widget, we have the agent is here, the agent is linked to the widget. So let's review this part. We have a lead, we are selling leads, the price, the link platform, the checkout, and the agent. Okay, those are the parts we need to have. So let me go here, payment, agent, and widget. Okay, that's it. Everything is as usual. The widget is set up as usual. There is nothing special about the widget. The widget is as any other widget you have done. Now what we do, we submit a lead. So let's say someone wants more information about this business. the lead is being saved. We don't send the lead to WhatsApp, okay? It's only we capture the lead, that's it. There is no more information. And what the agent is going to see. This is the agent's view. So now there is a new lead in my control panel. I have 2 leads I can buy from this widget. So what is happening? There is a new lead. I receive a notification. We send an email to the buyer. The buyer receives a notification. They go to the control panel, and if they want, it's done, it's confirmed. I go back here, and as you can see, this is being purchased. Okay, this means it's okay. I have the lead. Now the lead information is in my control panel. I have a new lead being purchased, and I can carry on with my business and this lead. So as you can see, for you is 100% transparent. For you as the producer is 100% transparent. You generate leads, your clients receive a notification, and if they want, they can purchase the lead information. That's it. For your clients, for the buyers, I receive an email, I go to my control panel, I see the leads you are creating for me, and I decide if I want to buy them or not. But there is no disputes. It's everything in the control panel, everything is secure. The payments are, confirmed online with a credit card. There is no need to send me an invoice, send me a document, no. You generate leads, the clients receive a notification. If they want, they buy. If they don't, it's up to them. And you keep going on. You can have your channels working for you. You can, generate as many leads as you want. You can create marketplaces, listings, anything like that. And tools like this are very useful, for different sectors, where there is a lot of demand for leads. Normally it's the service category, but you can think about education, auto, real estate. Real estate is a very big market, and something like this can be very useful for you. Cosmetic and beauty, healthcare, different lawyers, accounts, different sectors are always looking for more leads, for more clients, for more opportunities. So what you need to do, you need to create what you have, YouTube, blogs, Instagram, marketplaces, you name it. And now you have a tool to make the process to purchase leads more efficient for you and your buyers. So hope you like it. This is obviously, all this is new. If you want to do a setup together, send me a WhatsApp and we can do it together. If you want to go step by step on a call, we can do it. We want to help you because we know this is a bit complicated, but we want to share with you how this works. And the idea is, if you need help, if you want to do the setup together, if you want to go like step by step, if you want to have a call and understand, how this works, how can I do it for my business, anything like that, send me a message because we want to help you every step of the process. And I think that's it. That's the new feature we've been working for the last weeks. We think is good. We think it's going to be a really useful tool for marketeers, agencies, marketplaces, listings of any kind. And we want to help you make progress, make everything easier for you and your clients, and to have a more prosperous business. Okay, well, thank you. Bye bye.